This video will explain how to do a grid layout for a direct mount WoodTrac ceiling. As with every direct mount installation, you need to install OSB or plywood to your ceiling first so the clips have a solid anchor point. With the OSB or plywood installed, mark the center points on the narrowest wall of your room. This is the beginning of your grid layout. Once your walls have been marked, snap a chalk line between your two marks. Now find your center point on your chalk line and mark it. Measure and mark 2 feet on both sides of your center point mark. We will now begin the process of drawing a perpendicular line to our original chalk line by using a 4-foot piece of wood as a compass to create arcs off our 2-foot marks from our center point. In this case, we'll use a ruler that we've drilled 2 holes in, one on each side. First, we will screw one of the points into the 2-foot lines off our center mark and draw an arc on both sides of our line. We'll then repeat the process on the other 2-foot mark, and the result will be 2 arcs that connect, giving us a perfect point to draw a perpendicular line to our original chalk line. So now you'll snap a chalk line between these 2 points of the arc. These lines that we've just chalked are more of a basis for our grid layout and are not actually where you'll screw clips. So now we need to mark 1 foot to the left and right of both of these lines to give us the actual grid layout where you will screw your clips that hold your panels in place. After making your marks, you'll need to snap chalk lines between these marks to give you a basis for where you screw your clips for the panels. Repeat the process of marking every 2 feet and snapping your chalk lines to complete your 2x2 grid layout. With your 2x2 grid layout complete, the next step will be installing the panels and screws that hold in the moldings. Watch additional videos on how to do this.